Criminal defense lawyers are overloaded with case documents, and their desktops can easily become a chaotic mess. Using advanced AI and machine learning, AI File Pro analyzes content, context, and metadata to suggest optimal folder locations and file names. For instance, it can review a police report and instantly identify key details like incident number and defendant name. Those details are then used to automatically organize the document into folders such as law enforcement and arrest records. Now, take a look at the difference. On the left, the original folder filled with poorly named files. On the right, a clear, logical folder structure with organized categories like client and case intake or evidence and investigation. And say I wanted to find the forensic report for John Baker's burglary case. Retrieval is up to 50% faster. Over here, you just hunt and peck until you find what you are looking for. With AI File Pro's search feature, every piece of data you need is just a query away. Need specific case details? They're instantly accessible. The system quickly presents the data, along with direct links to the related documents. But the search feature goes far beyond basic search. The AI can summarize cases, compare multiple files, or answer complex queries across your data, all in seconds. AI File Pro, bringing clarity, speed, and intelligence to every case file you manage.